Don't even look up and see what day it is. You already know what day it is. Today is Sunday. My day, right? Boom. We do have some decent. God darn, we do have some decent companies reporting this week off the bat. The biggest name I see, Oracle. Oracle has been down a lot. I want to say 60% year to date. Don't quote me on that, but off the top of my head, that's like the last time I remember when I calculated it. Probably even lower than that, but we shall see. Anyway, Monday, not a single name. Not we don't no nobody reports Monday. Monday's free. Now let me stop. Cassie's. This one right here. Casey's, right? I want to say that food company. Matter of fact, I'm gonna look it up right now. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna see their food company. Cause I definitely, yeah, they are. I don't know how I know that, but I know that. Anyway, boom. This Twitter page, Ernest Whisper, they have NIO like number third. Well, they have them third. I'm not too fan of that company. You this UNFI. I know they deal with energy. I want to say they're on my watch list. Oracle Tuesday after hours, of course. I want to see what other name I see. Bumble, Petco. Hmm. Maybe I need to dish off and look at all these companies. Dick Sporting Goods, Dollar General, Sleep Number. Interesting. Sleep Number IPO is very that's interesting. Green Dot, I know they deal with some type of cards. Beauty, this beauty, Alta Beauty. Right, right. Adobe. What am I thinking? Adobe after hours. This is a very cool company logo. It's very cool. It's like some like a barcode, like a barcode gamer tag. If you know, you know. Better. Never even heard of this company. But yeah, we Oracle, Adobe. The only I ain't gonna say the only, but you know the biggest names is reporting. Dollar General reports as well. I love to see Dollar General. Matter of fact, the Dollar General on my watch. They're definitely on my watch. So that's good to see. Wow, messing up. All right, but let's go back. Earnings for this week. Earnings for this week. I had to say it again. CPI core. This is the core inflation. Like the main gauge of inflation. I'm sorry, the main gauge of inflation is CPI. So we're gonna see where the consumers are spending their money and how the consumers are spending their money on like everyday goods and services, from gas, water, from gas to water, like as in groceries, to clothes, to like everything, rent, everything, right? We're gonna see how the numbers come out for February. We want to see how the numbers come out for February. Let's see. Thursday. That's on Wednesday. Thursday. No news Monday. So that's a plus. I will be trading tomorrow morning. Thursday. Regular Thursday. Initial job claimed. Then we have 30-year bond auction. Friday, right? GDP. Gross domestic product. It's a Q3. Hmm. I have to do my research on that. But GDP for sure. Make sure I'm not tweaking. Right? GDP. The total value of all goods and services a country produced in a certain time, right? So we're gonna see the numbers on those CPI and GDP. And yeah, we should see. Spy, let's go ahead and talk about this, right? We no hesitation. This off the weekly. Spy finally broke this little range off the weekly. But I feel like we're still in range. Like with this candle, with this big old candle, we still in range. But once spot get below, or if spot goes to 661 or 651, 651, 661, it's definitely a trend flip. We're under off the weekly. We're close. We closed below. We closed below the 21 EMA. What else can I say? I don't know. We definitely just seen a lot of wicks, and a lot of with all this war between Israel and Iran. Yeah, it's day trade. Just quick 2 to 3 day. Like it's no room to like be playing around with when it come down to like trying to swing. This definitely something that I learned last year, which is crazy to say. Was something I learned last year when I was trying to go long on the video, and the video was going down. The video was like at, let's say, like 120 or whatnot, and the video was going get what like it was continuously going down. And I remember my uncle, he was like, "Nah, we can't swing right now. Like, nah, look what's going on." And then like that it kind of got me in the mindset of, oh, like let me try to think like the market in a way. You feel me? Like we got to use the economics to help with the charts, and the charts help with the economics. Like I've been told Cunningham, I probably said this in the video as well. Like something gonna happen. Yeah, even though I did make that video like SPY 740 then drop, I still believe that. But as of right now, we definitely could get like a 10% correct. Like we can get a correction, a 10% drawdown, 10% drop. Right. So boom. That's definitely. Goddamn, definitely how I'm thinking. And yeah. What do I want Spot to go? Spot can go 667 break, or 661 break or bounce. That's how I'm seeing Spot. Pull up the RSI, chop chop off the daily, weekly. It definitely broke. Like this little flag or this little consolidation definitely broke. Also, time did change. I don't know why I just thought about that because I see the sun right now, and the sun is like peeking into the window, well, into the room, and yeah, time definitely went back. So yeah, pretty crazy. Well, pretty sure we're the only country that do that BS. But yeah, QQ. Let me start yapping. QQQ, right? Same thing daily. Consolidation like a mug. Consolidation is crazy. Let me just go to the weekly right fast because I know I'm supposed to start off on the weekly. Doji candle, really, honestly, RSI, it been broke. Like, come on now. Like, I've been scoped it. I don't know why I didn't take puts on this, but I've been scoped it. But off the weekly, we have. I just realized this. Why do we have bullish a bullish candle with the volume, well, bullish volume? That's very interesting. And then if I go over here and look at like the groups or who have been doing good for like the past, not even, yeah, the past month, energy is in the red. Let me see. Let me see. No, I'm sorry. Technology is it's not in the red for the past month. Excuse me. It's right at the red, meaning it's like break even. It's in the red, but it's break even. If that makes sense. Then we go to 3 month. Technology not even on here. Oh yes, it is. I'm tweaking. -5, -5.58 on a year. Well, on a 3 month. Crazy, right? Crazy. But yeah, they got this bear, well, engulfing bull volume off the weekly. Interesting. I don't believe that. How market is looking at what's going on in the world. Let's be real. You really think tech gonna go back up? No. Like, come on now. But anyway, what I seen, what I typed or what I wrote. 589 break or bounce, or we could possibly see 580. If we see 580, that'd be crazy. What can I say? I definitely should be adding Well, I brought more. I brought shares of companies so far in particular in the video last week, but how I'm looking at this, I need to be sending more. I need to be sending more cash so I could be sending cash. Even though I definitely am. I do have some more. I do have cash in like the brokerage accounts, but I could be sending more cash, right? So I can buy more shares, buy more leaps or whatnot. Yeah, that's it. But 580 bounce. Even if we go down there, I don't know. I don't think we'll reject. Hopefully we break 589. If we break 589, that'd be a nice little bear flag. Like this is pure consolidation. This right here, pure consolidation. Pure consolidation. From boom to boom. Pure consolidation. Look at this. And this was from February the 4th. So a month. Because today's the 8th. But the last trading day was the 6th. But boom. Yeah, for a month and some change. Pure consolidation. So I want to see a break below 589 again. Yeah. First ticker I'm talking about. Cava. Cava, right? The Mediterranean dish, the Mediterranean food, the IG baddie. Let's go here. Yeah, that's how I look at Cava. Anyway, 74 hold uptrend. This is more so. I'm definitely thinking about this as a swing, like a real like whatever it presents. But definitely, I want to see a close above 84. Close above 84. I do see some reaction at 84. Put up the RSI as well. The RSI don't look half bad. Off the weekly, come on now. We can draw a trend line right there. Don't it doesn't look bad at all. Like it's kind of nah. It didn't really retest off the well, pullback retest whatever off the RSI right here. Boom. It didn't go all the way down there. But let me see what I wrote. I'm pretty sure I said what I wrote. 84 reclaim. Close. I said 84 reclaim, but close above 91. That's how I'm looking at it. That's how I'm feeling on Cava above EMAs. A trend, like I say, trend uptrend. We're definitely uptrend. And yeah, I already have my alert set, so I'll be watching this week for sure. Let me see if I can change it. There we go. Boom. Change it already. And I remember Mike was been talking about Cava when it was down at 40, like 40, yeah, 42. I thought they dropped way lower. I really honestly thought they dropped way lower, but they didn't. And this right here, this was a nice time to get in. This flag right here was a nice time to get in. That's pretty good. But yeah, first watch, right? Ego, right? This is a Canadian company. And it mines gold, right? Basically like an energy play because energy is up. I'm just giving y'all my rationale behind why I'm talking about this. But energy play, energy is up. I found what is this? I want to say this is a mid cap stock. Let me just go to it. I ain't going. It is what it is, right? Yeah, definitely a mid. Boom, mid cap stock, right? God darn, a mid cap stock, right? Boom. What I see, trend line, 1, 2, 3. You can almost say four taps of support off this trend line. Let me go 1, 2, 3. If I really wanted to, I could go 2 with this. Boom, right here. Boom. You go like 2. Boom, there you go. But you go 3. You go 3. 1, 2.5, 3. Right. Let me go back. How I had it. Right. 1, 2, 3. not 3. But yeah, y'all get what the hell I'm trying to say. But boom, right? 41 reclaim. 41 reclaim. I be looking for a 43 reclaim. 43 reclaim. I feel like we can go higher. But I think that at this 41 level, I'll be watching at this 41 level. I see reaction at this 41 level. Let me go out the 4 hour. Not no crazy reaction off the 4 hour, off the 41 level. Well, yeah, something I definitely am watching. I'm just interested off this company. Chart don't look half bad. We are like neutral trend right now. It's no uptrend or downtrend, but I guess like the overall trend for sure is uptrend. But as of right now, definitely looking for some reclaim. Definitely looking for some reclaim. Yeah, last one, Uber. I've been watching this. Well, let me go back. Uber. I was watching Uber last week, and I'm gonna continuously to watch Uber. Uber double bottom above EMAs. Well, not as right now, but definitely were above EMAs. I still feel like they just consolidating right now. I almost want to get filled and just put a stop below this level, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But definitely, they had a wick towards 78. I definitely want to break up 77, 77 and hold. Yeah, that's what I'm looking right now. I definitely want to say searching for the stocks or whatnot is a little tricky, but I'm not tripping. I'm still posting every Sunday. It don't matter how I feel or what's going on in the world. Even when I messed up my ankle, I posted that Sunday, and I had yeah. Hey man, listen, I could go to the video. I remember exactly how I felt and where like my foot was placed or whatnot, or like how like my foot was wrapped. Like it get like that. You feel me? That's why I'll never ever stop doing this, and more videos to come straight like that. I'm posting tomorrow. I'm up on the charts. I'm gonna take a signal. I'm gonna take my own trade, and I'm possibly might just take my own trade, two trade. That's how we get better. You feel me? Straight like that.